Okay, so this is the Canon Vixia HF200. I'm doing an indoor test, you know what I'm saying, with a lot of lighting in the background and all of that. See how that works out. You know, if y'all saw the first one, I had the Panasonic, you know, it's a pretty good joint, but now we on the Canon. So, you know, like I said, same thing with the other one. I'm trying to test right now this one has a remote, so I'm testing the remote. Seeing the different functions on the little remote. Testing the mic, the light quality, the visual quality, obviously. You know, I'm just talking a whole bunch of stuff. You know, I suggest anybody that's trying to find a good camera, you know, obviously do your research online, you know, and compare the different specs to the different cameras and figure out what you need. But also, you know, purchase the camera. Purchase the camera, play with it for a couple of days, play with it for a week, you know, use it inside, outside, do your thing with it, you know, and then try something else. You know, that's what I do. You know, I buy a camera, try it, try something else. You know what I'm saying? You got to do your proper research, you know what I'm saying? So don't forget, most places have a 30-day to a 90-day return policy. So, you know, make use of that. You know, just keep that receipt. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, that's just what it is. Testing the camera, saying a whole bunch of nothing. You know, for all my losers out there that watched the first one, I do appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, watch this one. Listen to me ramble again, you know, and that's just what it is. Watch 763 TV, check that out. You know, you'll enjoy it. Go to YouTube that 763 TV. But, you know, the weather's starting to get warm again. You know, slowly, you know, and barring a major earthquake or a major catastrophe, you know, the summer's going to be a good summer to be, you know, using the camera and getting all types of footage. So definitely going to make good use of that. So that's just what it is. I got the camera on the tripod to test out the zoom. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see. Okay, that's not all the way. That's all the way. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. You know, this is part one of the indoor test with all the lighting and all that. You're going to see part two, the outside, taking outside shots in good light. I'm going to do some joints in low lighting. You know what I'm saying? And it's just what it is. We're testing once again the Canon Vixia HF200. This joint has no internal memory. It comes with an 8 GB memory card, and you got to buy obviously additional memory. You know, so that is a drawback to it, though. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, that's a headache. And anybody that knows about the memory card stuff and you know, to get I think 32 gigabytes is going to cost you a lot. So, you know, my personal preference, you know, I would say buy a camera that has a lot of internal memory already built into it, and make sure it has a additional card slot for memory, so you can just have a ridiculous amount of memory. But, you know, that's if you can afford all of that, you know. But if you can't, you got to work with whatever you got. You know, that's what I'm doing. You know, balling on a budget and all of that. You know, so that's what it is. It's the Canon Vixia 200. It's the test.